Just when you thought the rookies couldn't raise the stakes any higher, Season 8 is gearing up to flip everything on its head. With betrayal, bold new recruits, and a shocking twist that could change Nolan's future forever. Are you ready to witness the most intense chapter yet? This isn't just another season. This is the Rookies like you've never seen before. Let's break it down right here on Screen Explain TV. You won't believe what's coming in the Rookie Season 8. Things are about to get way more intense than we ever imagined. After that jaw-dropping Season 7 finale, fans are in for major shocks, unexpected character twist, and one of the boldest seasons the series has ever delivered. John Nolan is no longer the Rookie, and this season he is rumored to take on more leadership than ever before. Whether it's a promotion to surgeon or mentoring a brand new recruit, Nolan is stepping up, but there's a twist. Whispers from behind the scenes suggest he might be heading back undercover. And this time, the danger could be greater than anything he's ever faced. Meanwhile, all eyes are on Lucy and Tim. Yes, the Shenforge saga continues. After the emotional roller coaster of last season, will Season 8 bring them back together or tear them apart for good? Set photo and leak ends at both heartwarming reunions and devastating betrayals, and fans are bracing themselves for the fallout. But it's not just about the romance. Season 8 is shifting gears into darker, more serialized storytelling. That means long-term villains, dangerous missions, and potentially a rock task for shaking the foundations of the LAPD. There are even rumors of a mole inside the department, and no one is safe. Angelina Lopez and Naila Harper are also expected to get powerful story arcs exploring their past, personal struggles, and new challenges in the field and the courtroom. In fact, sources say we might finally meet long-teased family members that will change how we see our favorite characters forever. And the biggest shocker, a major character might be leaving the show. Whether it's through the death, designation, or heroic sacrifice, one familiar face could vanish. And fans are already speculating who it could be. On top of that, there's one buzz about crossovers with The Rookie. Feeds meaning we might see familiar faces like Simon Clark teaming up with Nolan again for the explosive joint missions. So if you thought Season 7 was wild, Season 8 is going to blow your mind. With actions, betrayal, emotion, drama, and game-changing twist, this season will test every character to their core. Smash that like button if you're hyped and let us know in the comments below. Who do you think won't survive the Rookie Season 8? If Season 8 is bringing anything, it's Heart Attack, the high-stakes drama, and we are here for it. Make sure you subscribe for Screen Explain TV so you don't miss a single twist, theory, or explosive reveal. Drop your wildest predictions on the comments below. Who's making it out and who's about to fall? Until next time, stay sharp, stay curious, and keep watching the badge burn bright.